Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko.
What's up guys, welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. Most of you might have seen the news. Augustine Okah is back at Asante Kotoko and reports are stating that he will start or resume training with Asante Kotoko on Tuesday. Yes, on Tuesday, that's tomorrow. So I think it's a major boost that he's back. Now if you don't know about Augustine Okah's whereabouts, he moved to Tunisia to play for RS Berkane. I think he was training with the team. He didn't sign a contract. He stayed there for 2 months, or a month and a few weeks, and they decided not to give him a contract, and he's now back in Ghana and he's coming back to play for Asante Kotoko. His contract ends very soon, and I think Kotoko will try to register him in this transfer window, like this January, and if he performs well in the coming months, he might get a contract extension. I would love to see that, considering the fact that we are lacking wingers and we need more attacking presence up front. And if he comes back, it will be a very major boost to Asante Kotoko and the club, the attack and the overall squad, because we definitely need players like Augustine Okah. We know his quality, you know what he can do. We've seen him play several times, and I think it's going to be very, very crucial for us to integrate him back to the squad. Yes, because you see Asma and Christopher Neti playing at the wings. You see they play very well, energetic, they get the ball, but when they go up front, they lack the instincts of a good attacker, and that is what we need from Augustine Okah. He did it last season, he did it the couple of months he's been at Kotoko, so I am hoping he comes back and help the team, because we really need him. Godfrey Esema is back after the coronavirus. He tested positive and then negative. Now he's back in the squad. He might feature in our next game. I'm not sure if Johnson Smith will put him, because Johnson Smith now plays players that work hard with the team. So I don't know if Godfrey Esema will be getting back to the starting lineup in our next game, but I think if Augustine Okah starts training with Asante Kotoko again, he is definitely going to start playing games and eventually moving his way to the starting lineup. So I think it's going to create competition, and everybody will try to impress to show that they can actually help the team, and his arrival will also improve Emmanuel Jimfi, who has been playing quite well lately, and I think Christopher Neti, I don't know how Johnson Smith will do it if Augustine Okah comes back, because Christopher Neti has been playing fairly well in his position, learning the role gradually and building his performances. But if Augustine Okah, I don't know if things will change for him, and I would love to see him maintain his position up front, of course, because he is energetic, wins the ball back, tries to cover for mistakes and all that. But Augustine Okah is back, and that is the good news. And I'm very pleased, very pleased that he's back, because we are going to need all the body, all the players and the team if we want to win the Ghana Premier League this season. So that's the quick update I wanted to give you guys. I would like to know your thoughts on this. Do you think he should be sold out, or do you think he should be integrated back into the team to help us achieve our goals this season? I'd like to know your thoughts. Put down in the comment section and tell me what you think. So that's all for now. If you haven't subscribed, please do that right now and click the notification bell. Till next time, guys, goodbye.